Alright, the job is finished. That's my new relay. I've soldered all of the pins as best I can. A couple of them I had a bit of trouble with. I had to like solder them and resolder them and so on. Like that one there. What happened is the pin kind of fell in, so it wasn't protruding through the board, and then I had trouble trying to, you know, get it back. I realised in the end that if you actually needed to, you could replace all of these pins, because unlike the relay, which is very difficult to remove the solder and get it out, with these, when you put the soldering iron against them, then the whole pin is easy to extract from the board. So if you took both those pins out, you know, both sides, which is easy because when you're soldering it, they just basically want to fall out. You could then actually just use some copper wire, you know, from house wire, as in like from your, you know, that you use in your sockets, etc. And you could actually just use that to go from one side to the other, so you could really replace these and then just solder in, you know, each side and then snip off the excess. So that would not be a disaster, I now realise. So yeah, going to test it in the car.